Every day at school is an adventure, and Amanda knows exactly where to find the fun. Right here on the playground.
Kids video on YouTube are making thousands of dollars and even millions, and if you would like to be among those people making this amount, in less than 20 minutes I will show you how.
So the first thing you need to do is to go onto ChatGPT. So when you go onto ChatGPT, you're going to type a prompt for it to produce a story for you. But for this story, I already had like specific details that I want my characters to possess. So I just wrote down the details right here. So if you want this detail, it will be in the description box. So once I was done with this, I edited a few parts based on the color of the hair, the color of the clothes, and other information that I wanted to tweak a bit to suit the narrative. So immediately I clicked that in, ChatGPT was already giving me details about my story, which is Amanda's Joyful School Day. So it will cover a story of a girl in school and all the fun activities that she experienced that day. So it has given me like a good description of who Amanda is, the color of her hair, the color of her clothes. If you're trying to produce anything on ChatGPT or using AI, be specific about details, because you're not just going to write it to give you like a prompt of a child in school. It's going to produce different images because you didn't specify the kind of hair, the kind of clothes, the kind of shoes. So please, when you're trying to do this, make sure that you give details, which is going to help the AI. So once I'm done with this part, I'm going to say create like an image prompt for me, like a prompt, like a specific image prompt of each of the character and what she did in school, where she went to, things like that. And ChatGPT to the rescue, and it has given me all the information that I need. So now you need to copy the details of all the information. Once you're done copying it, we'll go to the next step. So go on to Chrome and just type in Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an AI tool that you can use to create images. It's the best in the market, which you can get free credits to use every single day. And now I'm just going to verify that I'm human before I can proceed to the next step. So once I'm done with that, Leonardo AI is going to take me directly to its interface where I can access all its tools. If you're a new user, you'll be required to sign up with your email, with your Google, with your Apple, with your Microsoft before it can allow you to get into this place. So now you see that this interface, we have the image creation and other tools. I've gotten the credit already that I can use today for all my image generation for free. So now I'm going to click on image generation, and I'm just going to swipe this and say no thanks, because I already know how to use the app. But if you're still new, you can just click on yes, so that they can give you like an intro on how to use the app or the website. So now I'm just going to paste my prompt, and I want to check if all the information I want are consistent, or all the information I want about the character are right before I proceed. So now I will check my settings. I will put the prompt enhancement on off because I don't want it to enhance my prompt. I want a consistent character. For the style, I'm going to leave it in dynamic. I'm going to leave it in phonics 1.0. I'm going to leave this part in medium, and I'll put the generation mode in fast. I will also choose my dimension as 16:9, which is the dimension for YouTube videos, and I will click medium here as well. And once I'm done with that part, so I would scroll down to get other advanced features, such as the number of images I wanted to produce. I will click on 4 because I really want options that I can choose from. And then I think I'm done right now, and I will just go on ahead and generate my image. I definitely love these images that it has created, and I still have more coin to create more videos and more images. So Leonardo AI can actually create videos but for that you're going to need to subscribe to the premium plan, which is not possible when you're using the free mode. So now if you have the premium version, then you can go ahead and develop videos from this, but if you don't, I will take you directly to the step 3. So now I'll go on to Chrome again, and I will type in Kling AI, and I will just click on the website that has the klingai.com, and it will take me to the Kling interface. And now this Kling AI can do a lot of things. It can do text to image, it can do text to video, it can do just a lot of things. Now it's saying that there is a trial package, but I don't even want to sign up for anything because I don't want to forget and end up spending so much money. So now I'm going to try to sign in to obtain the Kling AI trial package or the free version or whatever. So I'm just going to I'll click on sign in, and it's going to ask me, do I want to sign in with my Google, do I want to sign in with Apple, do I want to sign in with my email. I'm going to click on my Google account because I just want to be over with it. I don't want to start creating my email, sending code and all that. So this is the fastest way for me to use it. So I'll click on my email so that I can use my email. It's going to start loading up now. I will wait patiently for it to load up and take me back to the Kling AI interface. So now I'm back. I'm going to cancel out this, and you can see that I'm signed in. It's going to ask me what's my occupation, and I'll pick on content creation or any other one. If you are any other thing, you can just pick any of them here. If it's not listed, you can just click on other. Now they said this trial package is going to give me all of this, but like I said before, I don't want to sign up for a trial package. So I'm just going to click that I'm a content creator, and then I move on to the next. Now, what purpose will I be using Kling AI for? I'm going to click on content creation as well. So now we are into Kling interface. When you see AI videos, you click on it. By the side is going to say text to video, which means when you type in anything, it's going to try to create a video out of it, or you're going to click on image to video. So now that we've downloaded my Leonardo AI image, I'm going to click on image to video, and I will import my video from my gallery or from my files or wherever you stored the video, and I have to click on generate, and this generation will cost me about 20 credits. So that is not even all of my credits. I still have more credits, but I'm going to click on generate for it to load up and generate, so that this image can be like an image of a child running around in a playground. So the next thing I will do is to click on the generation button, and I'm just going to wait. It's saying the estimated wait time is 1 minute. Sometimes this take an awful amount of time, but I guess I'm lucky today. So it's finished, and I'm going to try to watch this video, but this video is not giving me anything that I want at all, because why is she behaving like someone from the zoo? Like, this looks awful. She's just jumping around like a monkey, and it's not something I want to work with. So I'll take you to the fourth step. Hold on, don't be tired. This step is actually very important if you're not going to be using paid features. So this is very similar to everything that we did in the Kling AI. So I just went on to Chrome and I typed in hi lower hey hi. So it's going to take me here. It's going to say sign up. You already know what we did, so I don't want to waste time. So after signing up, I'm just going to come here, and I'm going to upload my image, the image that I wanted to turn into a video. So I'm just going to click on one image, and once it's done loading, it's very good that you go to Leonardo AI and you copy out the prompt you used in generating this image, which is what I'm going to do now, so that it can produce like a very good video out of it. So I'm just going to copy out the prompt, and once I'm done copying the prompt, I'm going to go back to iLua, and I'm going to type that prompt in so that the AI will understand what you want that image to be doing. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on create, and you can see that my video is creating right about now. So the wait on this website is about 3 minutes. Don't worry, I will link all these apps in the description, and you can just click and download, or you can use the website. The 3 minutes wait is over, and it has completed the generation of my image. So now I want to play it. I want to see what it looks like. I don't want any distortion, and the Kling AI image was so distorted that the image was behaving in a way that I don't want, but this is absolutely perfect. It's not giving me any distortion. It's so unique and so beautiful to watch. So now I've gotten that part and I'm ready. So you keep on repeating this part for all your videos. Now I'm going to go on to CapCut, and I will import all the clips that I've generated. So I'm just doing this so that this video is not so long and you don't get confused. So once you're done with generating your image to video, you go onto CapCut and then you join all your images together. So now I'm importing all the images that I've already created, or the image to video that I've created using the iLua app. You can see it's not distorted. It's like, it looks amazing. When I say amazing, it looks amazing. So the images are doing exactly what they're supposed to do, and I love it. So the last step for this video is to go on to 11 Labs. So if you don't know what 11 Labs is, 11 Labs is an app you can use to develop audio, speech, and things like that for your video that are generated by AI. So now I'm in 11 Labs. Remember that when I kind of created my prompt, in that prompt list I included that my ChatGPT should also create like a voiceover that would narrate. So this is the narration, and I'm going to copy out all the narration and just bring it together so that 11 Labs can generate the narration of what is happening in the video. You're going to copy and paste a couple of times. This is why it's important that your prompt is very accurate, which is why I'll put that in the description box. Now I'm done with importing all the narrations. Now I'm going to go over to the audio part and I'll click on Nigerian, because I want the voice to be Nigerian. I don't want like it to sound very foreign, that people do not understand what is going on in the video. This character is a Nigerian character, and so a Nigerian voiceover will be good. I'm going to click on Rukayat and I will generate this text to speech in a moment. And now it's done creating. I'm going to download it out now. So we'll go back to CapCut. Like, CapCut is where we joined all our videos together, and we are going to rearrange the videos to anyhow we want it to be, to depict a better storyline based off of the audio we have already. So I will click on audio in my CapCut app so that I can import audios from my phone itself. So that is why I clicked on device. I would import that audio into my CapCut app and I will check for any adjustments, and once I discovered that there is no adjustment, I would move on to do other things on this video. You can choose to change the audio if you're not comfortable with it, but I'm so okay with this. I love the audio and I love everything about this video. So the next thing I want to do is to make the video more aesthetically pleasing, which is by including some overlays and some other effects. So I want to add something that will transition each clip from each other so that it appears very nice and it can move on seamlessly without it like showing like a pause or that something is wrong. And when I've added that, I'm just going to check how it is, and once I've seen that it transitions very beautifully, I would be okay with that. So another thing I want to add is like a background music. So I'll click on kids because I want a sound that will be like attractive to kids, that kids can nod to, that kids can dance to, and I'll check a couple of them. Yeah, you can check as much as you want because they're already free. They have the ones that are paid for, but you don't need that. You can see that the sound is fun, it's catchy. I'm just going to import it to my video and then I will trim off the excess part, and this is how my video will sound.
Every day at school is an adventure, and Amanda knows exactly where to find the fun. Right here on the playground. Learning isn't just about books. Sometimes it's about using your imagination to create something new. At school, we learn the best lessons when we help each other.
Now I want to export my video. I'm just going to check on the details such as the resolution, the code rate, the frame rate, and things like that. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on export. Now you can make your videos longer, you can make your videos shorter depending on what you want to do, but this is a legit way for you to make money online that no one is talking about. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and drop a comment. And until next time, bye.